Okay, I decided to make my own video this time. I searched and searched the web and could not find a video on how to take apart this all in one to change the hard drive or do anything to get inside of it. Looking at some of the things I've read from other people, they kept saying there are screws underneath the CD drawer. So what I found you had to do is you have to take the cover off the CD-ROM to get to it. Most of you know you just take something to point with, you shove it in this hole right here, and then it'll pop the CD drawer out. Once you get the drawer out, then you have to work this off. Now this is not fun. It's got a clip up on the top and a clip on the bottom. What I found is if I push something underneath this clip, I was able to get that side loose. Then I just wiggled this side until the back end came off. And then once that was off, I pushed the drawer back in and had access to the holes, which were here, here, and then two screws holding the actual cover on here and here too. Once I did that, then I had to take a card, wedge myself all the way around to get the back plate off. And it was just a matter of getting a card underneath here. Let me see if I can get enough light on this. There is an actual starting point, and it is right there, that little notch. Let me see if I can put the light here, point to it right there. That's on what, the first, second, third button over the little notch is where I use a screwdriver to start it. Then took the credit card all the way around to lift it up. Then took the base plate off. The base plate comes off with a hand screw, little thing, you spin it right there, take the base plate off. That gives the opportunity to pull the back cover off. And then the hard drive's here. So far I've gotten one screw off the hard drive right here. And then underneath the speakers, which are right here, I pull that back a little bit and you can see the two black screw there. And I think, yep, there's one more up at the top right there, which I can't get in focus. And I can't get out of my own shadow. Anyways, I've gotten to the hard drive. So as most of them say, most of them show screws in all four corners, here and there. This cover does not have the screws. It's all snap apart except for those four screws. Let me see. Yeah, 4 screws. 2 big flat ones here and here, and then 2 small ones right here and right there. Once you get those 4 screws out, then the cover snaps right off. I'd make a more detailed video, but this just ain't what I want to do. I'd rather just do the computer repairs. But not being out there, I thought I better add this in there because everybody's wondering, how do you get that cover off?